The heist is done, and the burglar is hungry. One snack machine between him and a chocolate bar, and this machine takes exact change only. The snack costs exactly $6. His coins come in 1s, 3s and 4s, as many of each as he likes. The challenge: hit 6 exactly, using as few coins as possible. Obvious plan: start with the biggest coin. 4 goes in, $2 left. But no coin makes 2, except the ones. So, 4, 1, 1, 3 coins. Meanwhile 2 3s hit 6 exactly, in just 2. Biggest first loses again. Here's the trick: don't start at 6. Solve every small amount on the way up first. Because the cheapest way to 6 is just 1 coin, dropped on top of the cheapest way to 6 minus that coin, 5, 3, or 2. Solve small, climb the ladder. Start climbing. $1, a single one, 1 coin. $2, 2 ones. 3, forget the ones, a single 3 coin does it. 1 coin flat. $4, 1 4 coin. 5, a 4 plus a 1, 2 coins. Every small amount, solved once, never again. Now 6, 3 ways up. A 1 on top of 5, 3 coins. A 3 on top of 3, 2 coins. A 4 on top of 2, 3 coins. The 3 wins, $6, 2 coins. Beat it, 3. And 3. Click. Chocolate acquired, 2 coins, exact change, and not a single wasted plan. The recipe: solve the small amounts first, 0 costs nothing. Every new amount is 1 coin on top of the cheapest smaller amount it lands on. Climb to the target, and the top step is your answer. Want this ladder written as real code? The full coin change video is linked, and the burglar's street heists use the exact same trick.